This is the Forest River Cherokee 17Jw Bunkhouse Travel Trailer Patriot Edition, exclusive to AC Nelson RV World.
I happen to be in orbit.
You just can't get it anywhere else.
Discovery, going throttle up.
The floor plan features double bunk beds for the kiddos and a front queen bed for you. You've got a U-shaped dinette, and in the kitchen, you've got a microwave convection oven, round single bowl sink, a 2-burner stove, and a 12-volt high-efficiency refrigerator to keep your perishables fresh.
Roger, 0J, I feel fine.
And this one's loaded.
I think I like the feeling.
You've got a power awning, deluxe wheels, AM/FM Bluetooth stereo, ceiling mount subwoofer, exterior marine grade speakers, outdoor TV mount, and you've got an outside mini kitchen and plenty of outside storage. Come make this one yours.
Lift off and the clock has started.
AC Nelson RV World, pioneers in RV. Yeah. Masters of adventure.